Hello everyone, it's your girl again, Lawyer Chef. Welcoming you to Grandma Hadu's Recipes for Success channel. If you are here for the first time, if you are new here, please subscribe. Click on that subscribe button and you won't regret doing so. On this platform, we cook good food, talk about food, that food is medicine, and that you are what you eat. So today we are cooking black eyes beans and unripe plantain with peppered meat. So for our meats, we are using goat stripe and cow skin known as pomo. Then we have our pepper to make our pepper then meat pepper then stew. So these are the ingredients we are using. So I have on the stove already 2.5 liters of water in my pressure pot, or I will use the prayer pot to cook the beans, the black beans, for about 45 minutes. Then I will have to transfer into the other pot. So we have our beans here. We have 4 cups of black eyed beans that has been washed. So I'm going to add this 4 cups of black eyed beans into the water and on the stove right now. So we know that our beans is rich in vitamin A, fibers, manganese, and folates, which lowers the blood pressure, support with digestion, and great for skin aids. I'm going to add as well our diced and unripe plantains. This has been diced. We have here 3 medium size. Know that our green plantain lowers blood sugar, improve type 2 diabetes symptoms. It's great for weight control, and it's a top source of resistance starch, which is not in many foods. It also controls heart rate and blood pressure by maintaining body and cell fluids. So we're going to cover and let it cook for about 45 minutes. Then we will come back. Hello, we're back. The beans and the unripe plantain has been cooked for 45 to 60 minutes in the pressure pot. And we have transferred into this pot to slowly cooked. So I'm going to add a teaspoon of sauce into this, and then and 2 tablespoons of our homemade spice blend. Yeah, it's a blend that has a lot of spices in it. We are not going to use any MSG. We're using just homemade spice to cook this delicious beans and unripe plantain. So we're adding 2 tablespoons into it. Then we're going to let it stew. Yeah. I'm going to let it slowly cook for about 15 minutes again. So while I carry on with cooking the peppered meat stew, so I've already put on the stove a pot, and in the pot I have 4 tablespoons of palm oil, 4 tablespoons of palm oil, and then 4 tablespoons of rapeseed oil. So they're in the pot already. So I'm adding chopped onions, red onions. Okay, we are now adding our roughly blended pepper. It contains onions, scotch bonnets, chili pepper, and bell pepper. So I'm going to add it into the pot now. I'm gonna let this cook a little bit. Then I'm gonna have this one because this has been pre-cooked already. Alright, we need to check and taste for salt now. I'm gonna add a teaspoon extra salt. Yeah, that will do. The beans is done now. I will turn off the heat and continue with cooking our peppered meat stew. So like I said earlier, this has been pre-cooked already. So I just want to have this extra into it. And now we have salt. Yeah, that's it. And I'm going to have my ginger paste. 1 tablespoon. Mix together and carry on. It's frying. The protein we are adding today is the goats, goat tripe, and the cow skin or more. You can add any protein of your choice. That's what I have at home, and that's what I'm using. Yeah. Alright. So we are going to add our proteins now, tripe and cow skin. Yeah, the meat has been pre-cooked already. I will just add a tablespoon of our homemade spice. It's a combination of many spices. I'm having one, just one. Like I've said, this is just a low sodium meat. There is no any artificial seasoning or flavor. It's purely natural flavor and natural spices. Yeah, so that's it. I need to taste for salt. If I need to add more, I will now. Nice. Perfecto. Oh, I can eat this all day. Yeah, just let it steam on the low heat for 5 minutes. Then our food is ready. Alright, we are back. It's been 5 minutes and then yeah, our stew is ready. The pepper meat stew is ready. It's looking yummy-cious already. So we only have the natural seasoning. So if you want to add any artificial, you can do whatever you want to do. But this is just what we have done with this stew. And it tastes, believe me, it tastes very, very, very delicious. So, and then the meat is ready as well. So we're going to serve. Yeah, bring your place. Our food is served. It's gonna be a very good dinner. You can try this with your family. Yeah, we're encouraging ourselves to eat healthy. So this is a drink. Check my channel for how to make this and many other juice This is a melon one, and this is a pineapple and some other thing, but check my video for it. The freshly homemade juice. Alright. Thank you for always being there, and thank you for encouraging your game.